So let's start our next topic, that is electric circuit. So this you have already have a little bit introduced. You got an introduction about this topic in your 6th class also. What is electric circuit exactly? Here again, we'll just understand the concept again. So what is electric circuit? It is a continuous path that in which the electricity flows, or we can say that in which the charges flow. Now, this path consists of some electrical components which are very much required to make that circuit. So basically, what is electric circuit exactly? It is a continuous conducting path. Why continuous? Because the electricity is continuously passing through it, that is continuously flowing through this path. Then only the other things which are shown in the circuit, or we can say that the electrical components that are present in this circuit work. So this is how you have seen that what is an electric circuit. A bulb is there, wires are there, cell is there. Now when there is a complete connection, that is when the switch is on, in that case the bulb will glow. So that is how the electric circuit is drawn, right? Now what you have understood before also, that the electrical circuit, it takes a lot of time. If I say draw a electric circuit composed of bulb, wires, a switch and a cell, and also add some element from which the electricity need to be passed. So how much time you will take to draw that, like 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes also. Like if some students are there that draw little bit slow, in that case they'll take more time. So to minimize the time or minimize your effort or save your energy, what scientists or what other teachers did is they made some circuit diagrams. That is how these circuit diagrams are made, by using just the symbols of the electrical components, and just by using that symbols, electrical circuits can be easily drawn in just 1 or 2 minutes. Now I've already shown you the symbols. Now how the different electrical components are shown in the symbolic form. So that is how you're going to use that symbols and going to draw the electrical circuits, right? Now here see how electric circuit diagrams are made. There are 2 cases. In first case, switch is on. That is when there is a complete connection. Now in this case, what will happen when there is a complete connection, or we can say that as soon as the switch is in on position, what will happen? The conducting path of the electrical circuit is complete in this case, and as a result, here what will happen? There is a connection between the positive and negative terminal of the cell, and as a result, there will be a flow of charges. And in that case, if there is a flow of charges, what will happen? The bulb will glow. And this type of circuit, we have already seen that this type of circuits are known as closed circuits, or we can say that complete circuits. But in the second case here, see, when the switch is in off condition, right? Now what happened? Now the connection between the positive terminal of the cell and the negative terminal of the cell here is broken. And in this case, what will happen? There won't be a flow of electrical charges, and as soon as there won't be any connection, what will happen? There won't be a flow of electrical charges, and as a result, the bulb won't glow, right? Because charges तो है नहीं, अब charge नहीं है, electricity नहीं है, तो क्या होगा? Electricity pass नहीं होगी and bulb glow नहीं होगा, right? So that is how the circuit diagrams are easily represented by the symbols. Now here you can see that how the bulb is shown, but when we are going to draw the circuit diagram, how the bulb is shown here exactly, just see here. Now, so the circuit, when in diagrammatic form, what you need to do is, you first need to draw a bulb. Like what are the different components it should combine? Bulb, switch, third one is cell, and we know that fourth one is wires. Wires तो बहुत important है, then only the connection will be complete. So these are the 4 things that you need to make in a circuit. So how you are going to make is, the cell switch you can place anywhere in the cell. It's on your choice, wherever you want to put. Cell के पास भी रख सकते हो, bulb के पास भी रख सकते हो, और away from both the things. It's on your choice, wherever you want to put. Now how you are going to do is, First of all, draw your cell and mark the positive and negative side. There is no connection. Just remember, there is no connection between the positive and negative terminal, right? The connection is only made by the wires. Now, I'll draw the wires. Then I'll draw the bulb. Now, bulb is drawn by this symbol. Again, then I'll move down. These the lines other than the cell and bulb are the wires. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a switch. Right? So this is our switch. So that is how a diagram is made. Now when the switch is off, in this case the path is not complete. That is, the positive terminal is not connected to the negative terminal. In this case, what will happen? The flow of charges won't take place. As a result, the bulb won't glow. So this is your open circuit. But when the switch is on, in that case, what will happen? When the switch is on, in this case, what will happen to the bulb? As the positive terminal is connected to the negative terminal of the cell, as a result, there will be a flow of charges and hence the bulb will start glow. So this is your closed circuit. So that is how the circuit diagrams are made. So whatever different things are given to you, just study carefully, see carefully like what are the different components are given, and then only make the diagrams. Right? If cell is not given, then you cannot complete the circuit. If bulb is not given, then also you cannot complete the circuit, because in that case you won't be able to see if electricity is flowing or not, right? Switches, that depends. If switch is not there, you can simply make the connections between the wire. There will be complete connection and hence the circuit will be complete and there will be a flow of charges, right? And wires are very much needed. Without wires, there won't be any connection, and without wire, there is no circuit diagram. So that is how you need to draw the circuit diagram based on the components which are provided to you or which are given to you, right?